Hi kids, welcome to our channel Kids Eduworld TV. Today we are going to practice letter E with the help of standing line and sleeping line. So let us start. We have selected the peach color. We are first drawing the standing line, sleeping line, second sleeping line, and one more sleeping line. E. Phonic sound is elephant. So let us practice the letter once again. Let us take one more color. The color we are selecting is yellow. So we are drawing a standing line. Second is sleeping line, and one more sleeping line. So we are drawing three sleeping line and one standing line. Eh. The phonic sound is and F for eagle. So let us practice it for one more time. Let's take the color line. So we are drawing a standing line, sleeping line, second sleeping line, and the fourth line is again a sleeping line. Engine. Eh. Let us practice the letter one more time. So let us take the color light green. So the first line is standing line, which is first line. Second line is sleeping line. Third is again a sleeping line. The fourth line is sleeping line. 8. Eh. So let us practice the letter one more time. Let's take the color dark green. We're drawing a standing line. Second, the sleeping line, and again a sleeping line. So this is our E, eh, earth. Children, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos. Tata, bye bye.